Creating kids' story videos sounds magical. But for most creators, parents, and entrepreneurs, the reality is overwhelming. Hours vanish into writing scripts, recording voiceovers, editing animations, and syncing everything perfectly. But nowadays you can create any kind of story for your kids with AI tools easily. I have tried multiple AI tools for making an effective story-based video for children. After a long research, I have found the best story-making AI tool for my kids. I will show the step-by-step process in this video of the tool. Just keep watching. I will put the link in the description. You just need to click the link and visit the website. Introducing the world's first AI app to create magical kids' stories. Describe your idea in the box and push generate. You can generate fairy tales with the blink of an eye. Not just fairy tales. You can create any kids' video instantly like turtle stories and so on. You can create rhymes and songs for your kids as well. Choose from hundreds of ready-made templates. The template variations are really amazing. They will help you to make effective stories for your kids easily. Just pick your template, customize and publish. Let's see the function of the website in details. First of all, log in with the email and password. You can see the recent videos below. As you also can see, there are multiple options in the dashboard. Select the Create Story option from there. Then choose your story type. Choose the category of the story. For example, I am choosing fairy tales. Write the story name and choose orientation. Describe your story by using the suggested prompts. After that, press Generate Scenes. You will find AI-generated story scenes based on your descriptions. Select the first scene and regenerate image. Select the voice of your choice. Then select desired language and gender. Finally, press the clone voice option. You can select your desired music from the suggested music option. You will get a chance to provide a subtitle and watermark of your choice also. Your story is getting ready now based on the given instructions regarding scenes, music, and voiceover. For instance, let's choose the Little Star Fairy story from the Story Videos tab. Not only the Star Fairy, but also some other stories you can select like the story of Maya, the Tower of Braided Light, and so on. In terms of make advanced changes, you need to select the Advanced Edit option. Then choose your desired font, color, text color, font size along with the logo or symbols of your desired social media like YouTube by maintaining the processes shown here. Then give a heading and subtitle of your story. You can customize the story with kids icons, music, and more. Just follow the video and you will understand how to do this. You will find lots of customization options on the left side of the menu bar. Select your desired one and finish the process. After completing your customization, click on Export and your video will start rendering. 50+ ready-made kids story video templates are available in this app. Let's create videos with ready-made templates. Follow the processes just like before. You can find templates like the Lotus Birthday Blessing, the Pig and the Duck, Kitten templates, and many more. Now, select the YouTube Publisher option and upload a video. Generate your title and description for publishing the video on YouTube with AI. Follow the step-by-step process shown in this tutorial. Generate hashtags with AI also. Use AI thumbnail generator for making a proper thumbnail of the video. Press save and exit. You can schedule your video for auto-posting. Select video category, enable embedding and select made for kids. Then press save and exit. Preview the video and click to publish on YouTube. Your video is ready now to view. So what are you waiting for? Get your instant access.